Hello student, in this video we will try to understand what is job application letter is all about. Job application letter is the content that accompanies your resume when you apply for a job. In these days, it is generally written in the form of an email. A job application highlights your interest and reasons for applying for the post or for the job in a short and crisp manners. A well-written job application letter makes your profile stand out, that means outstanding, and increases your chance of getting selected for an interview. The content of the job application must show your interest in the job, and it should communicate to the recruiter why you are fit or suitable for the profile. Now let us come to understand how do we write a job application letter. That means step by step format for writing a job application letter. Number 1, subject line. The subject line of your job application letter should be catchy, brief and to the point. It is also, we must remember this, that many companies include subject line guidelines in their job alert post. If they do so, please try to stick to it. If not, then make sure your subject line informs the reader about the job you are applying for. Now come to the second point, that is salutation. If you know the name of the person you are writing to, always address them by their name in the salutation. This will add a personal touch to the message. Now the third point, that is introduction. In the first paragraph, start by mentioning the job role you are interested in and how you found out about it. That means how you came to know about it, that you have to mention. For example, this is with reference to your job vacancy for the role of under bracket you have to mention the role as posted on, you have under bracket you have to mention the name of the publication or the name of the magazine or the paper from where you found this information, that you have to mention. That means portal name you have to mention. If you got to know about it through a reference, then add his or her name and designation. That means if you came to know about this information about the job, then from some person, so in such condition you have to mention the name of that person along with his designation. Now come to the fourth point, that is second paragraph. This is your main pitch. That means this is your area where you can mention about yourself. That is why this is your main pitch. In this section, highlight your qualifications, skills and experience and achievements that are relevant to the job you are applying for. Refer to the job recruitment refer to the job requirement section of the job alert post and match your competencies with them. That means in the job alert post it must be mentioned about the job and what kind of candidate they are looking for. So you have to match with that and then you have to explain. For example, I have completed my engineering in mechanical from the name of the institute you have to mention. I have worked as an junior engineer for 3 years at the name of the company you have to mention. So with my experience and skills, I will surely be able to add value to your company. Mention what excites you the most about the job role and why you are the perfect suitable candidate or perfect candidate for the job. Do not copy paste from your CV, that means resume. Do not copy the ideas from CV. Rather, you talk about things that are not mentioned in your CV. You can also add links to your work if relevant. Generally, the documents to attach with the job application are resume, cover letter, and work samples, etc. Now, come to the fifth point, the last one, that is closing paragraph. At the closing paragraph, express that you are eager, you are interested to meet and discuss the job further. For example, if you find my profile suitable, please feel free to contact me at the below mentioned contact details. I would be glad to come for an interview in person at your office. Now, the Thanksgiving part. Thank the recruiter for taking time out to go through your application. Sign off with sincerely or thanks and regards, followed by your name. And the last is add your contact details below your name. So these were all about the steps of writing a job application form, job application letter. Now, one more thing we will try to understand here, that is what we should do and what we should not do while writing an application, job application. So, what are the do's and what are the don'ts of a job application letter? So, always take care of the following do's and don'ts while writing job application letter. Apply early. Number 1 point, that is apply early. You will have a better chance to grab the attention of the recruiter if you are an early applicant. Apply within 2 to 3 days of the job posting. Number 2, keep it short and sweet. Number 3, keep the job application email short, and you don't want to write your autobiography here. That means you need not to write the autobiography, rather you just mention the things which is relevant, which is required in a short and crisp manner. And always double check for mistakes. That means without checking you should not send anything. You should check it. Then come to the next point, that is always do proofreading the content before sending the email. Then do not forget to check if you have attached the correct documents. You can use Grammarly to keep a check on spelling and grammatical errors. Then keep it original. That means do not copy paste the content. Add a personal touch to the letter and match it well. That means each job application letter should be customized as per the job. That means it should be formed, it should be created related to the job you are applying for. So take hint from the job description and have a look at the company page. Use professional email address. Make sure to use only an email address that sounds professional. You can maintain a separate email account for job related communication, as it will help you to keep a better track on the emails. Then the last is share contact details. Do not forget to mention your contact details such as mobile number, Skype ID, etc. at the end of your email. So these were the do's and don'ts related to application letter. In the next video we will try to understand a resume. Thank you. Have a nice day.